Good morning, parents and students. This is Ms. Harris, and I'm going to show you how to access your digital learning assignments today. First, go to the Gwinnett County Public Schools website, gwinnett.k12.ga.us. Log in with your username and password. Your child's information is inside of their binder that they took home yesterday. The user ID is your student's number, and the password is a mix of their birthday and initials. After logging in, this screen will appear. Go over to the right-hand side and click My eClass Course Pages. Once you arrive at this screen, scroll down until you see My Courses. Click 2019 Harris A Kindergarten Core. Once you arrive at our eClass page, you will see the first announcement, Digital Learning Days. Here is where you will access your assignment. Scroll down a little. Today is our first Digital Learning Day. Please complete button 1 for each subject area. For Language Arts, you will click Choice 1 and complete the assignment. For Math, you will click Choice 1 and complete the assignment. For Social Studies and Science, you will complete Choice 1. Do not complete Choices 2 or Choices 3. Those are for future digital learning days. Tomorrow, our specials is art. Please go to the Art eClass page once you have completed all of our assignments for the day. You can access the Art eClass page by scrolling all the way down to the bottom, and your other eClass pages will be at the bottom. Also, if your child receives speech services, please go to Ms. Porter's page to access her speech resources and assignments. If you need any help at all, please send me a message through Class Dojo, and I will help you to the best of my ability. Enjoy your day at home. See you tomorrow.